President Mnangagwa was to extend his term of office from 2028 to 2030. His term is supposed to end in 2028, and under Zimbabwe's constitution, he cannot run again after serving for 10 years. He wants to serve for 12 years and probably die in office if he can. Tatipenda mashikobdai tukapana pana opochmono that was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Anudanyira chiti. If it is to have an legitimacy, he must go to the people and make his case, then subject it to a referendum. Citizens must be allowed to debate it openly in public meetings and through submissions to Parliament. Those in favor of extending the term of office, removing the direct election of the president by the people and handing that power to Parliament, and pushing through the many other changes contained in Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 are free to campaign and make their case. But the tragedy is that those opposed are being stopped. The government using the police is blocking dissent. As you can see from the latest notice banning the Constitutional Defense Forum from meeting in Mutare, there is no level playing field. The CDF leader and convener Tendai Biti was arrested in Mutare a few weeks ago and is on bail for doing exactly what ZANU-PF is freely allowed to do every day. The president must understand this. The moment you silence the opposition side, you destroy the legitimacy of the entire process and make the law discredited. Whatever comes out of it becomes contestable and illegitimate. If he had allowed those against his amendment to engage freely, as his supporters are doing, he could at least claim fairness. Right now, he cannot be the behavior by his supporters and state security institutions barring those opposed. They have made the war process contestable and by those not only opposed from outside ZANU-PF but those inside too who disagree with him. Doba developments anobuda pangwa inoi. Pina comment section metu zofungura any more kudi from zoro with this issue ma constitutional amendments. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.